Hey. Hey! What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be turning into a Y2K baddie. This look is going to be inspired by Doja Cat's new post. She posted a look and my friend sent it to me. She was like, bitch, you better do this look ASAP. And I went onto her page and I saw the look and I fell in love. And I'm like, that's right up my alley, and that's what we're gonna do. Start out with the hair first. I already installed, I have a video on this wig. It's not the best, but if you're good at customizing wigs and everything, you could work with it. But I'll leave a link down below so you can see where I got it from. So I'm gonna take my flat iron. I'm just gonna take little sections and just start to straighten this hair. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis. Oh
my god, I forgot to do my before TikToks. You know what? I'm just gonna straighten it. No, actually, I should do my before TikToks, right? I'll be right back. Damn, I need to straighten it a little bit more right here because I had a little clip on. I was just doing my TikToks, and now we're gonna start. I'm gonna try my best to do this hair style. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just gonna part this right here. This wig, it doesn't go too far back. Like the stitching starts right there. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So her hair is like this. She has the bangs and then she has the two long ends. So I'm gonna leave the bangs for last. So I tried doing one off camera to see how it will come out, and this is difficult. Maybe because it's like not my hair and it's not a really good constructed wig. I just parted, well, I'm probably gonna take this whole entire thing. You see how crazy this wig construction is? It was cheap. But the quality of the hair is nice. Take any gel or edge control that you have. I'm just using the Wetline Extreme gel. It's the closest thing near me. I'm just gonna coat this, get rid of any flyaways. Then I'm just gonna twist. I'm gonna do a twist.
She can get it, say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I was trying to look for the butterfly clips, but I couldn't find any, and I found these flower ones. I'm probably just gonna do 4 because I saw she only had 4 of the butterfly clips in her hair, and I definitely need to get like hair oil or something because this hair, I have a lot of flyaways. Oh my god, why my twists are coming out like this? Like, it doesn't even look like a twist. I really don't like the way this looks. Yeah. Okay, you guys pretty much get the idea of what to do. I'm gonna go back and fix this. Okay, so I'm back. I had to do a little bit more than 4 because it's just a lot of hair. And I am gonna have to curl the hair because I forgot that this hair is very airy. There's a lot of flyaways. In order for this hair to look cute, it has to be curled. So I'm gonna curl it a little bit. First, I'm gonna go in to tame down the flyaways. I'm gonna go in with this Gizu honey infused hair oil. I don't feel like it's super greasy on the hair. It gives a beautiful shine and it just gets rid of all the flyaways. It tames it down, and you just need a tiny bit too. Damn, I might have put a little bit too much oil. But don't worry, because once you run the flat iron through it, the oil kind of goes away a little bit.
Dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so.
I'm just gonna finish a few little parts right here, and then I'm just gonna do the other side off camera. Yeah, so I'm just doing a soft curl. I'm not trying to do anything too defined or crazy. Be right back. Look how cute. All right.
Girl, what's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, on and out, girl.
Ooh, that looks cute. A little curl. That's cute. Let me try doing this on this side. That's cute. Okay. And then let me, I look like little girls. I think I'm gonna cut the bangs some more. Okay, so I grabbed a paper towel and orange because I'm hungry. And I'm gonna cut my bangs a little bit because I feel like I look like a little girl. So I'm gonna make this a little shorter so it could look more edgy, because her bangs are obviously way shorter than this. But I'm not gonna go as short. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it like this, because I don't want to make my bangs like super duper short. I'm gonna comb out the curls because I like it to be like a nice messy loose wave. Oh, this is so cute. All right, now we're gonna go and move to the makeup portion. Finally, I hate doing hair, so yeah.
Considered like my filler.
Look here, I meet the new ginseng eye cream by Origins. Now for
Week and a half into this conversation, when I'm starting to notice like the icks about him that I just don't like.
Oh my god, I thought I stopped
and he starts
recording.
bringing up the fact that I don't have any.
But if y'all watch my videos, you already know how it go. I love starting with my base first. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty stick foundation. I feel like this might be too dark. Oh shit. You know what? Scratch that. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna use my Merit, and then if I feel like I want a little extra, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Glowish. For some reason, like the Huda Beauty foundation is pretty dry on my skin right now. Oh, is it because I don't have? Okay, so I didn't put moisturizer on. I just went straight in with toner. Like, I cleansed my skin, obviously, toner, and then I went straight in with my Gucci primer because I'm not gonna have this makeup on for too long, so I don't want to waste any skincare, to be honest. Oh, so that's why it's probably coming on a little bit more matte. Even the Merit too, it's like a lot more coverage. Whoa. Because usually when I put on my Belief moisturizer, it gives me a nice slippery base. But since I didn't put any and just went straight in, wow, I'm actually seeing how the primer is working. I never did that. This is my first time. Wow, this is pretty mattifying. Like, it gives a nice natural sheen to the skin. Like, it's a natural finish, but it's still mattifying. Like, it's still, wow, this is a nice freaking primer. But yes, I already liked it, but I like it even more. I'm gonna go in a little bit more because she was looking pretty flawless. And yes, you can always go in with concealer and everything for every day, but I really do want to look flawless for when I take my pictures and do my TikToks and stuff. I haven't taken a picture for Instagram in so long. I've just been posting a whole bunch of reels. So we're gonna use one of my favorite concealers right now that I've been loving is the KVD Good Apple Concealer. I didn't see the hype for this at all. I saw the hype after I bought it. They just came in to my store one day and I tried it on and I was like, holy shit. And it's just, everything was just so cute. Like, I love the applicator so much. It's so cute and small. I love the consistency of it because it's so thin, but the coverage on this is ridiculous. Like, I'm so mad. I learned this hack, this little concealer hack on TikTok, and I can't stop doing it. I'm gonna take my beauty. Oh, good Jesus.
If it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, girl, give it one night. You just give it a chance. Loving you is this my plan. 'Cause I know one day you'll see all the things that we can be.
I'll go into contour. I'm using another Merit Complexion stick, and this one is in Cacao. No, I'm gonna take my Merit brush and blend out.
Now I'm so glad. Now I'm so glad. Now I'm so glad.
So lately I haven't really been brightening under my eyes so much, but this time I'm going to, because her eyes are a little bright underneath, just a tad. Take my little baby beauty blender.
Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. What you need.
So now we're gonna set my favorite powder. I'm so tight that is my favorite powder because now I gotta start buying this expensive ass powder. Now I gotta buy it for my kid. Like, it's so good. I'm gonna go with the Givenchy Prism powder in number 5. If you haven't tried this powder, you need to go try it. And now I'm gonna go in with the powder puff that it comes in. I'm just going to press, and I'm just gonna set my whole entire face with this. I know we look very matte, but powder makes everything look super flawless. Okay, I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 3. So yeah, I'm going in my number 4. I'm mixing my number 4 and my number 3 together. Shit, what was that? What is me? And then now we're gonna put on some blush. So her blush wasn't, no, maybe I shouldn't use this one. Her blush wasn't super, it was a muted down pink. It was a cute muted down pink look. So I'm just gonna go in with my Hindash palette and go into Boy Wonder, mostly Wonder. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I already have a tutorial on that, and then we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I just prime my eyes with concealer and translucent powder. Again, if you want this to be long wear, wear a primer instead of concealer and translucent powder because it will not last. I'm only doing it because I'm not going anywhere. So I'm gonna use my Natasha Denona purple palette. That's literally what it's called, purple 28, something like that. We're gonna map out the blue first. So I think the first one I want to use is this one right here. This one is called Steel Blue. We're actually gonna follow the natural crease of our eye because I don't want to bring it too high.
Provide love and overlooked and unappreciated. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste you need.
So that's what we're gonna start out with first. Then I'm gonna blend this line out. Now I'm gonna mix that same color and a little bit of a darker blue.
I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, woman, woman. I can be your lady.
So take a lighter blue. Just lightly buff out the edges. So I'm just gonna go and do this to this eye. Now we're gonna take this Makeup by Mario crystal reflector. I'm gonna put it right on the lid because she just has like a white or like silver-ish color. I want to see what it's like when it's a little wet. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, this is dumb cute. When it's wet. Now we're gonna do some liquid liner. Doesn't really look like she has a wing going on. No, she doesn't have a wing going on. Okay, so I'm still gonna line my lid because I still want there to be some sort of dimension. So I'm just gonna stop right there. I'm not gonna wing it out. I'm actually gonna wing it out with a little bit of a dark blue eyeshadow, the same one that I deepened the crease with, and just go over that liner. Ooh, this looks cool. All right. I don't really know what color she put on her lower lash line. I'm just gonna put that first like denim blue eyeshadow that I put and just run that because it just on her lower lash line the color looks like the color of her transition on the crease. So I'm gonna just do that just to give it a little something so it won't look blank in the bottom. So now I'm gonna put some lashes on and then I'm just gonna do my lipstick. If you guys want to see a lipstick tutorial, go watch my shorts. I just uploaded one not too long ago. But just basically do the same thing that I'm gonna do, but just with the colors that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, I just feel like I'm not in my time. Like, I do not feel like I am in 2022. I feel like I'm living in 2001. Like, it's freaking crazy. I'm wearing this top right here. I got this cute little belly chain, and I'm gonna show you the pants too and my shoes. I'm gonna put these on. They're a little beat up, but I'm just gonna wear like these little shoes because she had black shoes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Let me know any type of videos that you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys soon.